wrap everything up that we just went over. We had the uptrend, we had the downtrend, consolidation, accumulation, distribution, liquidity, imbalances, and order blocks. Okay, so just to give you a quick recap, again, the uptrend is going to be the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? That's a very clear uptrend. Okay, and then downtrend, it's right over here. You can see another one over here. We have, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? We had the downtrend. We broke down. Okay, and then consolidation is when price is just playing around in the middle, not really making uptrend or downtrend, just consolidation, right? And then we have the accumulation, which again, another name for consolidation in a way, right? We have the consolidation, it's accumulating, and then we eventually do sweep the lows, break above the highs, retest, and go. That's accumulation. And then distribution, that's when you have the liquidity or the consolidation. We sweep the highs, break beneath the lows, retest, and then sell off. And then all this is liquidity, right? If you mark up any one of these highs, any wick, that's liquidity. If you mark up this wick here, this was liquidity right there. You mark up these lows, this was liquidity at one point. If we're looking with current price action, this high was liquidity, right? Even here, even if we go here, this low right here, that was also liquidity, right? And then even this one here, this low, that was liquidity. We had the imbalance as well. Price initially filled the imbalance, took off, and then came back even deeper, sweeping more liquidity, right? And then I just went over imbalances and then order blocks as well. Those are going to be like the last selling candles before the move up. And as you see, price, we did have one here, an order block, and then price did break beneath it, right? We had the order block. I marked up the high and low and dragged out the box to the outside, to the right. This imbalance candle was so strong, we broke beneath this order block. And then as you see, we came back into that same area and now we're respecting it. So that's putting everything together. And then I highly recommend you use all this information and go back to the Market Structure 101 Basics video and then really try to understand it again. I just wanted to break everything down for you guys one by one, just to make it more consumable, more digestible. But yeah, let me know in the comments any other videos you want me to do. If you want me to go more in depth on any one of these concepts, let me know. Uptrend, downtrend. I believe I broke it down in the most simplest form I could have. Very basic. But if there's still some confusion, let me know. I can make more videos, or you can join the mentorship. Book your one-on-one session with me directly, and I'm willing to work with you at least an hour on a Zoom call or a video call where we can really break down everything and answer your questions even more in depth. But yeah, that's it. Super excited for the future. Again, let's use this information and capitalize on it. And let's really break those generational curses and create that generational wealth.